Have you ever accidentally put an important folder under version control and felt a wave of panic? If that's you, don't worry. Today, we're going to tackle how to un-git a directory, specifically if you've mistakenly added your home folder to Git on Ubuntu 16.04. I totally understand how frustrating it can be to realize that your home folder is now under Git control. You're not alone in this. Many users have faced similar situations, and it's completely normal to feel a bit overwhelmed. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user recently asked, "How can I undo putting my home folder under Git version control?" They mentioned that running Git status showed unexpected changes, like alterations in the Mozilla Firefox cache. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So, what exactly happens when you accidentally add a directory to Git? Essentially, Git starts tracking changes in that folder, which can lead to confusion and unwanted version control. But don't worry, we can fix this step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I have a pro tip that will help you manage your Git repositories more effectively in the future. To un-git a directory, the user should first navigate to the directory that is currently under version control. This can be done using the terminal. Next, the user needs to remove the Git tracking from this directory. This is accomplished by deleting the .git folder, which contains all the version control information. After removing the .git folder, the user should verify that the directory is no longer under version control. This can be done by running the git status command. If the user wants to ensure that no other files are being tracked, they can check for any remaining .gitignore files or other Git-related configurations. Finally, the user can continue using their directory without Git tracking. They can also create a new Git repository later if needed. Fun fact, did you know that the .git folder is what allows Git to track changes? It's like the secret diary of your project, keeping all the details hidden away. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user is quite straightforward. They suggest simply removing the .git folder from your home directory. This action will effectively un-git your directory. Now, let's see a response from a different user. An alternative approach to un-git a directory is to use the command rm-rf.gitstr. However, be cautious, as this command will also delete your gitignore file. It's recommended to specifically remove only the Git folder to keep your gitignore intact. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always double-check which directory you are in before initializing a Git repository. This simple habit can save you from future headaches. And there you have it. You've successfully un-git your home folder. Remember, being cautious with Git can save you a lot of trouble. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and don't miss our upcoming videos on mastering Git.